Hello Bladers. We all know that everyone wants to have an appealing car ride and not experience any foul odor while driving. An air freshener can change the whole atmosphere of your vehicle. With the right scent, every ride can be a delight. Sometimes, picking the scent isn't the problem, it's more about the kind of air freshener to choose. These are some air fresheners which will take you on a smooth sailing ride. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. The Right Car Fresheners below 300 pesos. You wouldn't want a bad odor to pile up below your seats, right? Get the Blade Under Seat Car Air Freshener new car for only 249.75 pesos. Feeling a little citrusy? Check out these following flavored car fresheners. Number 1. Blade Organic Air Freshener Lemon. Number 2. Blade Gel Air Freshener Lemon. Number 3. Blade Jelly Gel Air Freshener. And for your car care and accessory needs, visit Blade Auto Center outlets nationwide or shop online at www.blade.ph. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.